Today we're going to make daring drumsticks, which is a really easy recipe with chicken, but it tastes fantastic. So first you put some honey in a small cup or bowl, like this. Then you add some soy sauce. And mix it so it becomes a nice sauce. There. Now you take a drumstick and just dip it into the sauce, like this, and put it on an extra plate. And after you've put them on the plate, you can pour the rest of the sauce over them so they can marinate in the sauce. After you've put the sauce in there, you can put them on a baking tray. And when you put them in the oven, make sure you have a grown-up with you.